I'm Michael here with Team Deck and Fence Cedar Falls. I'm going to show you why today is the perfect day to get a fence estimate. Snow's coming down. I love it. Good energy. This is a new construction house in Cedar Falls, and we're just going to go around, get our wheel out, do some drawings. Truly, I'm playing, and I get paid for it. So, no, I love the snow. It feels like I'm playing. It's giving me energy, but I'm out here for a customer in Cedar Falls taking some measurements for their custom fence project they got going. They're hoping to get a quote and get to installed as soon as the house construction is wrapped up. So just helping where I can. You need a fence. Go in here and create a new project. And we got him as a referral from a family or friend. So I'm excited to hear who referred him. And then you're gonna do new drawing. And this is just a very generic way that I get going. I'm gonna do, I think you said black chain link. Didn't you not say that on this one? I'll do black chain link, new drawing. And I'm just gonna throw a rectangle out there for the house. And the nice part about this is it's already drawn, so all I have to do is get these 3 or 4 numbers, and I'll come back and I'll just click on them and go, oh, that was actually 67 feet. All right, 67. And then I'll draw it to scale, and then I'll make a nice, more intricate drawing that'll show like more lay of the land after I get that raw data from my wheel. But yeah, all right. Team Fence, rain, snow, or shine. Full oasis. Me and my friends sitting poolside, eating some Chinese food. You know what I'm saying? Summer vacation. Right? Look at it. Look at the mound. It already has a big pile for rock play. You know? Oh, maybe I'm crazy. All right, here we go. Taking a measurement off the back. Seeing how far this is. Walk the dog, baby. The far side, it's the longest run of fence we have. Customers giving us some lot measurements from online, so referencing those. Mr. Plow, Mr. Plow. Fresh tracks, fresh pow, you know how it is. 85, I'm just gonna go across here. $101, 85, 60, 101. Let's go draw it up. $12. So 8, 125, 12. Let's go back to the, what do we call these things? The team mobile? No, that's not good. Yeah. What do we call it? Team truck? Gosh. The mobile command center. There we have it. Another beautiful opportunity to make your wildest dreams come true. So now I'm pulling up the lot on Blackhawk County GIS, or Beacon is what it's called. So I type in the address online. I find this lot, and this shows the picture and the lot lines for it, so I can take some accurate measurements and see exactly, because when I went out there to measure with the wheel, I could tell it got narrower at the back, and you could see there's like a little bit of a berm or embankment there. It goes down into what looks like a drainage ditch. I'm assuming the homeowner does not want to go into there. We'll figure that out once we meet with them here shortly, but now I can get real accurate measurements of how long and where exactly he is, where his line is for his property. So most homeowners like to maximize that with their fence. So anyway, I'm going to do some measurements here and see what we can come up with.